Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can draw your own book cover in Heartopia. So go to your drawing board, and I have one made already, but you're just going to make one 16 by 9. How do I get back to like the home page? Okay, here. So modify drawing. So make sure your template is 16 by 9. And basically, this is kind of like your grid. Can I not see it? Okay. So the book spine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 squares like from here to here. So make sure you got that, and then you can just customize it however you want, of course. But I'm just showing you guys like the exact measurements so you don't make the book spine too big or too small. And then you're just going to write your book here, and like when you're publishing it, you can change the book cover here. As you can see, you can use like official covers here, but you can also use your own artwork, and you can even use pictures if you'd like to. Here's like the book spine, and I like measured it again, and I had to redo that. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!